Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I will show you how to apply the desaturated graphical effect in our Qt QML application. Today in this video I will show you how to apply the gamma adjust graphical effect in our Qt QML application. So what is the gamma adjust? In simple term we can say a lightning or luminance correction in our image. So let's run the application and check the effect. So first of all we have to import the Qt graphical effect. Now let's create the one item to display the image. So set the width and height as per the parent. So width is a parent dot width and height is also parent dot height. Also set the anchor fill anchor dot center in parent. Now let's create one image. Source image. So here I just simply copy this file path, image path. Now let's set the source size. Parent dot width and parent dot height. Set the smooth property as a true and visible property as a false. Now here we have to write the gamma adjust property. So this is the gamma adjust. Also set the anchor fill as our source image. Also source is our source image and sketch property to smooth rendering process. Okay. So first of all we did not apply any gamma value. So default value is 1.0. Okay. That 1 means no change. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. The real image first of all. Wait for the build. So this is the default image. Okay, now let's apply the gamma value. Okay, so now let's change the value as a 2.0. Okay, increase the gamma value and let's see the effect. So you can see this is the how gamma or lightning was corrected in our image. Okay, so when we apply increase the gamma value, so image going to a very lighter. Okay, so vice versa, so we change the value in the less than 1. So now set the 0 point or 1.0. Okay, sorry, less than 0. Okay, less than 1. Okay, indirectly we can say. So now let's set the gamma value is 0.5. So here I can write greater than 1 equal to light image and less than 1 equal to dark image, darken image or lighten image. Okay, now let's apply the 0.5 value and check the effect. So you can see the image going into darken mode. So it's simple. So when you apply the gamma, increase the gamma value, it will going to correct going to a lighting image, or if you set the lower value below 1, so it set the darken image. Okay, so in simple term, now let's apply the some higher value like 3.5 and check the effect. So it's just like a simple lightning correction in your image. You can see it's not like a brightness, it's a lightning correction. Okay, so it is not as a brightness, is a lightning correction. Okay, so this is the gamma adjust property or gamma adjust graphical effect in our Qt QML application. And please drop your comment if you have any question, and please like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.